back at it. We got the Spyder here. Engineless, heartless. Got a few things that we're gotta finish installing. We got Javi La Cabra working on the 2ZZ. Look at that paint finish. Shout out to Chameleon on Instagram, hit him up.
Matthew's chopper, however you pronounce it.
Yep.
The man himself.
The man himself.
Oh yeah. Best powder coating on New York.
That's it. Best powder coating on New York. Got the Moroso pan here. Ported throttle body, ported runner, ported plenum. We got some pulleys. It's gonna be great. In preparation for Toge Fest. It's gonna be a good time, guys. So we're gonna be installing. Let's get over here. In the engine bay, gonna be installing this oil cooler here so I can get some air through the side vent there. That's the intake side on that side. So I'm gonna do that right now. We gotta swap out some motor mounts. These look like they've seen better days. Yeah, we should be good though. I already ordered them from Toyota. Should be alright. She's coming along, guys. She should be up and running this weekend. So let's see what happens. Oh, alright. Alright, so got the oil cooler in. The hoses will be finally adjusted. These are going to stay loose until we put the motor in, so we know the length of the hose that we need to connect to the motor, I guess. This is the brand of oil cooler we went with. I can put the details in the description below. Alright. Perfect. Now we're gonna do, so we're gonna install this JDM oil cooler on the motor with this sandwich plate, so you can put the sensors that we need for oil temp and oil pressure. I'm gonna reuse my oil catch can here. I have a new one right there. And we have this Mishimoto bracket where we're gonna mount the catch can. I'll update you as we go. God damn! Papi, ¿para dónde vas a mandar esto? No sé, dime tú. ¿Para dónde? Este baby. Ahí está. So we got the 2 ports here for the oil cooler that we installed. And we got temperature and pressure. ¿Cómo fue?
See that shit?
Beautiful.
Te lo dejo, papi, que solamente es para mujeres.
Hey guys, so calling it quits for tonight. Got the oil cooler mounted, clutch mounted and aligned. It's raining pretty hard. I'm in my truck now, headed home. I'm not driving right now, I'm videoing, but whatever. We are pretty far ahead. We should be done this weekend. Gotta hit a bit of a snag with the JDM oil cooler plus the sandwich plate and then oil filter, so we're gonna scrap the JDM oil cooler, and then we're just gonna put the sandwich plate to run the lines for the oil cooler that we mounted on the side, on the passenger side vent, and then you know, put the sensors in, and then obviously the oil filter, so we should be good to go there. Hopefully you guys like the content. Please you know, like, subscribe, the whole nine. I'd really appreciate it. You know, learning how to do this stuff, so we'll see. All right guys, later.